Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Arnan Salman and I'm your Urdu teacher on this journey. As you know, we have already done our Haroof-e-Tahajji from Alif to Say. Now, this is your next lesson, next video on this behalf. So, look at this carefully. What I'm starting. This is Jim. Look at the shape. Like this and make round. Place one dot. This is Jim. Remember, there is one dot. It is Jim. And look at the shape like this. Jim. Jim. So what is starting with Jim? Jim Jahaz. This is aeroplane, but in Urdu it is Jahaz. So the beginning letter of Jahaz is Jim. Jim Jahaz. Look at the second picture. Jug. Jim Jug. Jim Jug. In Urdu it is also jug. In English it is also jug. Students, I have already told you that are several words, or most of the words, it is come from different languages like Latin, English, Sanskrit, Persian. So this jug is also from English. So Jim jug, we will read it out as it is. Jim jug. And third picture, look at it. This is, what is this? Can you recognize what is this? This is jurab. Jim jurab. Sock. Pair of socks, but this is one sock. Jim jurab. Jim jurab. So read with me again. Jim jahaz. Jim jug. Jim jurab. Moving on to next letter. Look at this shape again. This is same like Jim, but how many dots it has? It has 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. It has 3 dots. Okay. Then it will be becoming Che. This is Che. Che. CH. CH. Che. Che. This is Che. And what picture is here? Che Chidiya. Che Chidiya. In English it is sparrow, but in Urdu it is Chidiya. You know, Chidiya is a bird. Sparrow is a bird. Okay. So Che Chidiya. Che Chidiya. And what comes next? Che Cheetah. Che Cheetah. In English it is leopard, but in Urdu it is cheetah. It is found in jungle as well as in zoo. You guys, I think so, is familiar with it, with this animal. This is animal Che Cheetah. Che Cheetah. All right. So what is next picture? Look at this. What is this? Key. Yes, key. This is key, but in Urdu it is chabi. Chabi. Che chabi. Che chabi. Che chabi. All right. So students, repeat with me all of these 3 pictures. Che chidiya. Che cheetah. Che chabi. All right. Coming to the next letter. It is same like Jim. Look at the shape. Slightly and make round. This half round. But it has no dot. Have you noticed? It has no dot. So if it is, there is no dot, it is called hey. 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 Repeat after me. Hey. 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 All right. Look at this. What is this? Pond. Yes, you are right. This is pond, or we call it swimming pool. But in Urdu it is hose. 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 Hey hose. Hey hose. Hey hose. Okay. Look at the next picture. What is it? Who is he? Hajam. In English it is barber. Students, you guys go to barber shop to get your haircut. So he is barber. In Urdu, hajam. Hey hajam. Hey hajam. Hey hajam. Hey hajam. All right. Look at the third picture. What is this? This is pumpkin. Yes, you're right. This is pumpkin. Pumpkin. But in Urdu, it is halwa kaddu. Halwa kaddu. Hey halwa kaddu. Hey halwa kaddu. Hey halwa kaddu. So repeat with me. Hey horse, hey hajam, hey halwa kaddu. Now moving on to next letter. Look at this. It is same like Jim. All right. All the shapes are like Jim, but the difference is of dots. When we place dot, it becomes different letter. So one dot is up. It is becoming he, he, kh, he, he. Yes, kh, he. So let's see what is with he. What is this? Rabbit. Yes. But in Urdu, it is khargosh. Khargosh. He khargosh. He khargosh. He khargosh. Okay. Look at the other picture. What is this? Melon. Yes, melon. But in English, it is melon. But in Urdu, it is kharbuza. Kharbuza. He kharbuza. He kharbuza. He kharbuza. All right. Now look at the third picture. What is this? This is khama. In English, it is tent. Tent. Khama. He khama. He khama. He khama. Yes. So he khargosh. He kharbuza. He khama. Repeat with me. All right. Again. He khargosh. He kharbuza. He khama. All right, students. Now hold your pens and pencils and notebooks. So moving to our written session. All right, we have already written alphabets, capital letters from Alif to Se. I'm repeating. You also repeat with me. Alif, Alif mad A, Be, Pe, Te, Se. All right. Today, what we have learned, I'm writing here, Jim. Look at the Jim shape. Little bit make like this. Go up this shape and make half round and place one dot in it. It is Jim, Jim, Jim. All right. Now write Che, same like this, same like Jim. Look at the shape. Yes. And place three dots in it. 1, 2, 3. This is Che, CH, CH, Che, Che. All right. After this, what will be coming? Hey. Look at the hay. Same shape like Jim. Same shape like Jim, Che, and hay. This is hay. After this, hay is coming. Look at the shape, same. It is, place one dot up. It is hay. This is hay. Yes, hay. All right. Again, I'm repeating. Alif, Alif mat A, Be, Pe, Te, Se, Jim, Che, He, He. Well done, everyone. Today we have learnt the Haroof-e-Tahajji up to Khe along with their sounds and examples. Remember, the key to learning any language is practice. So try to write each letter at least 5 times every day and say its sound out loud. If you enjoyed learning with me today, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe the channel so you never miss out Urdu lessons. Until next time, keep practicing, keep smiling, and Allah Hafiz.